3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome to the British Legal Technology Forum.
2015.
2016.
2017. 2018.
19.
It's 2020.
2021. 22. It's 2023.
I mean, it's like a really busy event today, which is really good to see. There's an interesting mix of companies.
Customers are saying they're ready to change. They want to be agile. They want to move a lot faster than they have done in the past.
I think they do a really good job.
I'm generally optimistic about the future. I often say that the future is better than we think.
So one of the challenges in any business is communication. Circulating emails or notes on the internet, it doesn't have the impact of getting everybody in the room.
I think we're at a moment in time where we've got to become empowered by it, not overpowered by it.
Netlaw Media have been brilliant to work with.
Working with Netlaw Media has been great.
Yeah, I think Netlaw Media have done a great job today. Everyone's really happy, things are going well. It's not easy to cut off his fist apart from the bed.
Time is of the essence. There's going to be more and more of these scams. Building on tech hype and people's hopes and dreams.
This new technology will come in. Your natural reaction, because we're all programmed to avoid dissonance, is to lean out. But the people that will own the future, as the world changes at such an exponential rate, are the people that go, let's find out what's going on and let's figure out a way to experiment fast enough to apply the new innovation or the new technology to what we're doing.
Netlaw Media are fantastic at doing this. They are very, very proactive, professionally forceful to make sure that everyone steps up to the plate in the system.
If we only have the optimistic people working on the technology, then we are going to keep building technology that has problems in.
Because I have to say, like when I first started doing awards, lots of middle-aged white men in a room. But now it's different. This is great.
They are clearly the leader when it comes to, dealing with events or on events like this and dealing with, law firms and legal community.
Most people don't think they want to have fun until they start having fun. And when they're in that gamified system, you can see they're passionate, they're engaged, and they really perform at their best.
Listen, right, middle of the table. That's bright, fire, no, don't touch.
The clients for this market have shifted dramatically. And so right now, the law firms are trying to play catch up with that. Computers are useless. All they can give me is answers. What I need is something that can ask the right question. Because when you know what that question is, when you can be crisp and clear on what that question is, you don't need me to tell you, but the technology will make short work of the result.
There's so much upside and value to technology. And I think even the most risk-averse lawyer can calculate that the upside beats out the downside.
Fight the wave, ride the wave, learn it, utilize it, and ride the wave to riches and success.